The purpose of this video is to clarify the dot of Ramavat Anji Nayak. So he asked about the LCM. So let us find out the LCM. How do I use the method? The method which I use is totally different from other methods. So how many types of methods are there to solve for LCM? Let us see. He said that, sir, problem exercise number 3.3 లో second question problem లో ఆడ LCM కదా బాలే మష్కా కొట్టారు ఆమె అర్థం కాకుండా ఒకసారి డీటెయిల్గా చెప్పండి. So he want to ask me about the LCM. How do I do the LCM? So I have to explain that in detail. So this video, for the purpose of this video is to explain the LCM. Prime factorization. So let us take one example like 40 and 35. We have to find the LCM of these two. So we will take out the factors of this 40 and 35. So both comes in 5 table, or you can go with the smaller one, that is 2. So let us take 5. 5 8s are 40, 5 7s are 35. Next, 2 4s are 8, 7, 2 2s are 4, 7 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 7. Next, 7 1s are 7. Next, we will multiply this all to get the LCM. So that will be, therefore LCM is equals to 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. So 28 into 10 to 80. So this is the way we can find out the LCM by using prime factorization method. For solving the LCM is by using the tables. Like, let us write by tables. Suppose if I have been asked to find out the LCM of 5 and 8, so how we are going to find? Let us write the 5 multiples of 5, or you can say the table of 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. You can write more than this also. Next, we will write the multiples of 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80. So here the common multiple, that is 40. This is the LCM. So like this we can also find out the LCM. The LCM here is 40. Third method is by using Euclid's division algorithm. We will find out the LCM by using Euclid's division algorithm. We know that Euclid's division algorithm is A is equals to B cube plus R, where this remainder is less than or equals to B, less than or equals to 0 and less than B. Next, let us take, generally we will take one example like 30 and 40. We have to find the LCM of 30 and 45. So how we are going to do this? The bigger number we will write in the middle of these brackets, 30. So 30 ones are, the nearest number in 30 table is 30 itself. So 30 ones are 30. So the remainder is 50. 15. Next, we will write this 30 here. 15 to the 30. So the remainder is 0. For this, we will write like this. This will be the A. So A is equals to BQ plus R. So A is 45 is equals to B is 30 and Q is 1. Remainder is 15. Next again, this will be the A. So 30, B is 15 into Q. Q is 2 plus R. R is 0. So here the HCF is the highest common factor is 15. So we need this 15 to find out the LCM. So how we are going to find out the LCM? To find the LCM in this method, we have to multiply those two numbers, product of two numbers by highest common factor. So product of two numbers is 30 into 45. So 30 into 45 by HCF is 15. So 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. So therefore LCM is 245 are 90. So this is the way we can find out the LCM. How do the others do? So let us see. They will take this 24, 3 and 8. So the least number that will be 2. So 2 12s are 3 as it is. So 2 4s are, next 2 6 are 3, 2 2s are 2 3s are 3, 2 1s are. Next is 3. So they will multiply this all to get the LCM. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So therefore the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. They will check this as 24 1s are 24. Next for 3 8s are 24. Next for 8 3s are 24. Here what they do, they write this just as it is 24. In 24 table, where do they get 24? That is at once, one time. So that's why they will multiply this with 1 plus 2 by 3. 2 by 3. In 3 table, where they are getting the 24, that is at 8. So the numerator and the denominator both will be multiplied with 8. Next 3 by 8. Here it is 8. In 8 table they are getting 24 at 3. So they multiply this with 3. Next 1 ones are 1. 24 ones are 24. Plus 2 8s are 16. By 3 8s are 24. Plus 3 3s are 9. 8 3s are 24. Here we are having the denominator is same for all. That's why they take this as 24. Next they will add the numerators, 1 plus 16 plus 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 16 is 26. So 26 by 24. So 2 13s are 2 12s are. So therefore the final answer is 13 by 12. Let us see how do I do LCM in my problems. For that, I am going to take the same bit, that is 1 by 24 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 8. So here we will check whether we are getting the highest multiple by using the smallest or not. In 3 table, we are able to find the 24. 3 8s are 24. In 8 table also, we are getting the 24. 8 3s are 24. Okay. So the number which is coming in 3 table also, in 8 table also, that will be our LCM. So here we are going to write directly 24. 24 ones are 24. So 1 ones are 1. First 24 ones are 24. Then next we have to multiply this with the numerator. 24 ones are 24, 1 ones are 1. Next 3. In 3 table, where do we get 24? So 3 8s are 24. 8 2s are 16 plus 8 3s are 24. So 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 16 is 26 by 24. If we cancel this, we will get 13. 2 13s are 2 12s are. So 13 by 12. If we are having 1 and any number, suppose if I am finding the LCM like 1 by 1 plus 1 by 8. So the LCM will be, directly we can write the number. So whatever the number we take, the LCM will be that number. So here we can write 8 is the LCM. 8 ones are 8. 1 ones are 1. We can cross multiply like this. So we get 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 8. Or else we can take any other number like 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3 or 2 by 3. So here the LCM will be 3, as we are having 1 and 3. So 3 ones are 3 plus 1 twos are 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5 by 3. As we can see, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we can write this in mixed fraction also. Like this. 3 ones are 3. So the remainder is 2. Like this. If there are different prime numbers in denominator, then we will find the LCM like this. Suppose let us take two examples. Here I am taking 1 by 2 plus 5 by 3. And for three numbers, I am taking 1 by 2 plus 7 by 5 plus 4 by 3. So how we are going to solve this? 2 and 3 both are prime numbers, but they are totally different, and 2 is not the multiple of 3 and 3 is not the multiple of 2. So we have to directly multiply for finding the LCM. So the LCM will be 6 for this. 2, and we can directly multiply this 3 with 1. 3 ones are 3. 2 5s are 10. So 3 plus 10 is 13 by 6. This is our answer. Next, for this problem, 5 2s are 10. As you can see, these are the prime numbers and these are totally different from each other. So we can directly multiply. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. 10 3s are 30. So 5 3s are 15. 15 ones are. Otherwise, you can do like this. 2. In 2 table, when do you get 30? 2 15s are. 2 15s are 30. So therefore, we can multiply this 15 with 1. 15 ones are 15 plus 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. So 6 7s are 42 plus 3 10s are 30. So 10 4s are 40. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 1 4 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So 97 by 30. This is our answer. If one of the number is multiple of others in denominator, so then how we are going to solve that? Let us see. If it is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 9, and let us take for three numbers like 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8 plus 7 by 16. So here, as we can see, 3 and 9 both are the multiples of 3. They comes in 3 table. That's why the highest number, as we know that this is 9, so 9 is the LCM. 3 ones are 3 and this 3 comes under 9. For 9 we can write 3 3s are. We can see 3 here. That's why we can say 9 is the LCM. So 9, 3 3s are 9. So 3 ones are 3. 9 ones are 9. 1 2s are 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5 by 9. Next, 4 8 16. In 8, in factors of 8 we can find 4, and in factors of 16 we can find 8 and 4 also. So ultimately we can write 16 is the LCM. So 16, 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 plus 8 2s are 16. So 2 3s are 6 plus 16 1s are 16. So 1 7s are 7. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 7 is 17 by 16.